Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm Doris. Welcome to Healthy Tasty Meals. Today I want to show you how I made this delicious bowl of salad with just a little tweak to eat. So just keep watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So first of all, I want to start with my cucumber. I have already properly washed and sliced this cucumber into a moderate size. Then I want to add my tomato. I just use a single tomato and also chopped to a moderate size, and 1 carrot, tiny chopped. Then I added peanuts, which is granite, just 2 tablespoons of granite to it. It's very delicious when you eat granite and cucumber. If you're familiar with this combination, you will know what I'm talking about. Then I added onions. Onions will help my mouth to be a bit hot when I'm eating the egg that I added to it. So I used 1 boiled egg, just cut it into 4 shapes because I don't want it to get maybe break inside the salad. So I just give it a bigger cut. Then what I added next was my spinach. I properly washed and sliced the spinach. This spinach is optional. I just wanted spinach in the salad, so I used spinach for it. If you don't have spinach, you might use lettuce, you might use fluted pumpkin leaf, but I got spinach, so I just added it to it to add more nutrient to this bowl of salad. Then this sprinkle of black pepper, I sprinkled black pepper to it to add some seasoning and garnishing, and quarter teaspoon of sea salt. Yes, so to enhance the taste, since I added egg to it, there should be some sort of to make it tasty. And a teaspoon of olive oil. That is what I just sprinkled around it to make it creamier and very creamier. So what I did was next to just give it a stir, make sure that everything is properly stirred to have a feel of the pepper, the salt, and the olive oil. Yes, so just give yours a proper stir and you are done. This is very easy to make. You can use it for breakfast, lunch, whenever you can eat it. Veggies are always good. Whenever you eat it, it's acceptable. So I just want to give it a bite and take the rest to the dining. Alright, here is how it looks. So I just want to transfer it into a smaller plate that I want to take to the dining. Keep watching, you will see where I did that. So I took it to the dining and yummy. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Leave your comments at the comment section. If you have any question or need further clarification, just feel free to let us know at the comment section and we'll be so happy to reply your comments. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Thank you.